Times Now has accessed the 400-page Centre's review report on the irregularities in the National Rural Health Mission scheme, spelling more trouble for Mayawati as the link between the death of the 3 CMOs and this scam becomes irrefutable, with the Centre's report putting 7 direct charges against Mayawati.
It is no coincidence that the 3 murdered medical officers of Uttar Pradesh worked for what is perhaps the most corrupt department in the state, right under Mayawati's nose.
This is a 400-page comprehensive review report prepared by the Centre on Uttar Pradesh's National Rural Health Mission. In it are 7 direct charges against UP Chief Minister Mayawati.
Contracts worth crores given away to favoured agencies in the most arbitrary manner possible. No agreements inked, but crores paid in advance. The thought of penalising the favoured companies for delays would be a bit too much to expect. On more than one occasion, the contracted amount has been higher than the tender price paid.
We'll get a feedback from the state governments. Once we study that, we'll take appropriate action to see that these aberrations are corrected.
Coupled with zero monitoring of all the projects underway. Balance amount of nearly 9 crores in one particular instance not paid. But a 100% expenditure reported in almost all the projects for the release of funds. The man who's in the eye of the storm, Babu Singh Kushwaha, former family welfare minister in Mayawati's cabinet, her immediate neighbor in Lucknow and considered to be her financial manager.
राष्ट्रीय ग्रामीण स्वास्थ्य मिशन, जिसमें कि अभी एक घोटाले का हमने जिक्र किया है, लेकिन महा घोटाले उसमें सामने आएंगे। इस कार्यक्रम में हुए घोटाले और दोनों पूर्व मंत्रियों अनंत मिश्रा और बाबू सिंह कुशवाहा की संलिप्तता की भी सीबीआई द्वारा जांच की जानी चाहिए।
Cause and effect. And Mayawati increasingly cornered on home ground. With Prema Sridevi in Delhi, Aviral Virk for Times Now.